Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Gango. My fans on TV, it's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Sonwabile.
Asibonge Steve mandi bulise ngiphinde ngikhahlele kwikumkani yami.
Sha
Uzwelibanzi.
Yeah.
Steve mangene egamini.
Yeah.
Igame idlale kahle. Pirates is nama tactics. They were waiting for Mabasa.
Yeah.
Then but disturbwa ku score
Maho.
Sabafikela no score.
Yes.
And then they were confused the back.
Yeah.
Mudiba uye udlala left back.
Yeah.
Mafika kunamuntu la.
Yes.
He decided to push.
Yeah.
My pusher Mahopa utilized that space.
Sure.
Both goals zivele kandawo kanathi.
That side.
That side. That's why we beat them. And then today we have the discipline. We won the game in the first 3 minutes.
Finished.
Finished. The game was finished.
Yeah.
By the time it's 5 minutes, they started playing it 7 minutes. That's when Umkwena started to put the foot down on the ball.
Yes.
And he started spraying passes.
Yeah.
7 minutes, the game was finished.
It was done.
Done.
Done and
And
dusted.
the discipline from the players. Makhetlen Makaul.
Yeah.
Usdina kaMahlalele.
Yeah.
Ovula ifridge engasebenzi.
Yeah.
Adla amapolo nabantwana.
Yeah.
Naye uMbatha.
Yeah.
They played very well.
Shanduka Ndaba.
They played very well in controlling. They allow Mkwena to play back to Williams, not to move forward. All he was doing, he was play back to keep forward. Today,
Yeah.
he was not effective.
Not at all.
Alenda, he couldn't provide to Ribeiro. Sihambe ngo-entry sangena sabheke ehluhluwe.
Yeah.
Salanda uMbowazi.
Hey.
I-TLB.
Hey.
I-TLB ivale zonke amapipe avuzayo la aboxoki kade bevuza, they were leaking.
Namhlanje.
Afika i-TLB yavala konke.
Ndoda.
Yavala.
Yeah.
Thibo uyakhumbula ngithe silana sidlala neBaroka eOrlando.
Sha.
Wamkhumbula lo mfana sasimkhuluma ngaye la. Lo wayehlupha kakhulu iPirates.
Uba.
Unumber 12.
Mapena.
Angiyazi noba uyawafunda amaphepha na.
Yeah.
Pirates is signing the boy. You remember we recommended that this boy must replace Usaleng.
Yes.
Pirates are signing the boy according to the papers.
Okay. Namthatha vele.
Last is Tiba.
Yeah.
Ukhona omnye bengikhuluma naye ngapha eStrand.
Sure.
Uanalyzer lama big 3.
Yeah.
Uwafanisa nemoto.
Yeah.
Uthi Sundowns
Yeah.
uphethe Mercedes, uphethe BMW lapha.
Yeah. German.
Uze ku Pirates.
Yeah.
Mayifa iBMW kungena iMercedes.
Yeah.
Pirates iAudi nama VW.
Yeah.
Uyabona?
Yeah.
At least ikhona iphawanyana, ikhona ama turbo charge.
Sha.
Masiya kulaba.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Kuphushwe uno lapho nama test.
Kaizer Chiefs iuno. Kaizer Chiefs iuno. Iuno.
Makefana Steve.
Uno.
Kaizer Chiefs iuno. Man of the match uMbowazi, umfana sehluhluwe, siyambongela. Dukuduku Makhanya. Well done.
Upheka njengonabi.
Hayi. La tshona ilanga udukuduku uyamazi. Uyamazi udukuduku.
Akapheki ka.
Hayi kusele kancane lo yana. Udukuduku uyaproduce abafu. In the next 4 years, iPirates could have a whole 11 isuka with development.
Kahle kahle.
Uzubheka. Masakant ungikhumbuza uSizwe Mtawungu. Isizwe Mtawungu uvukile.
Sha.
Umasakant.
Sha.
Van Rooyen.
Yeah.
Balanced this team. Today we were flying with one wing. Uhoto ebathithele.
Yeah.
Uhoto bebengamazi noba uya defend noba uya attack.
Confused.
They were confused.
Yeah.
Ama Rubber Start FC hayi namhlanje kaze sibatshele
Oh, Askies, my man.
iphelile le ndaba yakho.
Thank you,
Danko.
Thank you, Ridwan. Thank you for your patience, Ridwan.
man.
Askies.